Ideally, we want them track the size of France, then I think we've got more chance of recording them.
And I wonder whether the fact that actually
Because there's nowhere to put it.
there were two of the workers, it came back to 2-2, and then they went again to win 3-2, whether the manner of the victory is as important as the 3 points itself.
Oh, there's no doubt that they've got to equip themselves to stay up, and that's all about belief, and that will help to establish some belief. You can win at Anfield, you can almost win anywhere. It's a good response to a new manager. You want results to back up all the messages you're giving the team. So that's been essentially during their season around. But we've seen it once before. They didn't see the results, and they've got they can build upon it. So we've got players there that can change their
Sorry, I know. I didn't realise you were doing that, but I needed to get here quickly.
Oh, it's okay.
To get out of some of this. It's a new manager, a young manager.
It's fine.
So, I think they've got to
Get 2 hours.
Because regards to confidence, we were talking before we came to the on air, so in the lost last night, the first time I could argue, probably the side of it, when they come in the second goal, the particular goal, when the first goal went in, you could see them sort of stand in place, and then after ran out corner, so confidence.
it has been the issue, and I was thinking the new factor on the NFL, because having lost the 2-1 lead, we came back to 2-2. But actually, they go back on the front foot.
Did you get one shot?
And I think that's absolutely fantastic for their confidence. It might be a season defining results, but it might be that go into to really push on. I mean, they did it, I know, wasn't Charles that time, but they won it. Yes, they got absolutely thrashed by Arsenal, but actually, it's not been too bad in introduction in terms of results. Also, you'll find you're getting a new manager back, so you wake up this morning, and you see you're out of the box, and you can build on it, and it's I mean, Wes has been there with Sunderland, it wears you down week after week, you're doing the best you can get out of the
Is it easier away from home when you're in the relegation? I'm not saying go to Anfield, is it?
Because you know what expected anything, and you just went out there and played, and you more relaxed, like the early combination choice, and you seem to get results when I was at Sunderland.
Can you put that away, please, for me?
Yes. I have 11 people.
It was very weird, but being on the fans as well, your fans expect less. Yeah, probably. And then we just went up, really. I mean, I reckon we forgot about everything else, we forgot about the whole situation, and we just went out there and played. Because we had good players, it's just like the confidence between the teams wasn't there. And then when you play against a bigger team, this seems to come out and you can relax more and you get results.
Just on Liverpool, John, when they missed Lallana earlier on in the season, people were talking about the problem with Liverpool could have Lallana. Then Coutinho was out, and then missing Coutinho. Mane then the African Cup of Nations, and then missing Mane. Does that highlight the only fault with Liverpool really is that their squad isn't big enough at the moment?
Yeah, I think they keep doing this one. I mean, the big I think the Mane has made such a difference to the opportunity to create. He also, in the way that he plays, he allows others to allow him to beat up. And I think he's better in that midfield three, and I think the role there, I think he makes it happen for Liverpool. So it's almost like they're missing things on two fronts. But yeah, you're right, it does slightly issue about what is defending us as he's done and I think that is perhaps still that frailty. So I think the depth of the squad perhaps dealing with crosses in the areas that will be his biggest concern if he's going to try and maintain something. Well,
it's 2 seconds today, isn't it?
Chelsea not even playing yesterday, just they're in the hotel preparing for their game. The Sunlanders are out, just fantastic news, and Liverpool really.
Only if their hotel's not in this country.
I would
have had the Sunlanders out in London yesterday, it was very cold.
Yeah, it is. I mean, you can really see not actually playing. It's all these moments together as a group, the Chelsea players. You're going to put them under pressure. And look at the shooting yesterday. And let that slip. Klopp will be most annoyed today that he's let them off. It's a bad result. Very bad result. I mean, I think Mane, for me, one of the best players. And then lately, he's got probably one other little thing. Mane is the best player. But I think it's a good thing to see when it's come in. They've struggled over the last 3 or 4 games. You know, I don't know, when he used to win the championship, them games that he's struggling in, you just need to get a win. You know. But when you don't have to play well.
Particularly if you get it back to 2-2.
Yeah, as soon as they get it 2-2, I thought, as I said, there's only one winner. And it didn't happen, and I think they just need to get that in because, you know, you can play well. Yeah, when you play bad, you do well.
Let's go to, I tell you what, we've got Southampton Leicester on the screen just out of Cameron. It's lovely and sunny there, so John Southwell might be able to give us an update from Southampton Leicester on his sun lounger, Martin.
Yes, Dreamers on here, beautiful afternoon. It's Southampton 0, Leicester 0. We've got 24 minutes of the game. It's been a bright start to the game as well. Southampton have had 3 decent chances. A Tadic cross from the left-hand side, took down Nathan, 7 yards out. He headed over the top, then Hoyberg, left foot volley, 14 yards out over the bar. And Redmond again on the right-hand side of the area. Shot saved by Michael down to his left-hand side. One moment for Leicester on the counter-attack. Damari Gray down the left-hand side, elected to shoot when Jamie Vardy was unmarked on the back post. Would have been a better option for him, but he chose to shoot and the shot was saved. Important game for these two. Southampton, remember, have lost their last 4 games. Leicester have won 1 of their last 6 and are just 5 points off the bottom 3. So Leicester City.
Let's go to the game of Manchester City next. Manchester City against Spurs. Spurs moved from 2-0 down to 1 point yesterday tea time, although the Son Heung-min equaliser came just moments after Andre Barrett didn't give a penalty for Kyle Walker.
No!
Raheem Sterling. Let's hear from Pep Guardiola.
Hello. Hello, YouTube. I love you.
Watching it again, the push on Raheem Sterling. What are your feelings about that?
Because we were watching on the BBC.
Because we just saw it just then, I just wonder what your reaction to that was.
Not bubbles. Come on, Dad.
Yeah.
Turn that down a bit.
Yes, you can. You know how to do it.
Is it this one?
Yeah, you can do it on there.
Some something full of bubbles, but now it's straightening.
I'm having trouble connecting to the internet. Take a look at the help section in your Alexa app.
Oh yeah.
I'm having trouble connecting to the internet. Take a look at the help section in your Alexa